Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you see from the title, today we're preparing a stew, and this one is done with short ribs and sliced green bean. In my book, this is a perfect comfort food for me. I love a good stew. So if you're one just like me and you like what you're seeing, just keep on watching. Okay guys, for our starting ingredients, here we have some short ribs cut in small pieces. Yes, and we're going to wash this with vinegar and add seasons of your choice. And the season I'll be using will be on the screen and also in the description box below. So just keep on watching, guys.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the
powder seasons of choice. I'm just going to add some soy sauce. Season this well and leave to marinate for at least an hour. And then we go on to the cooking process. Just keep on watching, guys. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing, why not? Check out my other videos. There are lots of goodies here. And I know you'll find something that you would love to try. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, after an hour and a half, that's all long I left to mine to marinate. I'm adding some oil in my pot, allow that to heat up, then I'm going to add my marinated ribs. Stir well, cover and allow it to simmer. Then we can come back, and on the other side of the stove, please put your kettle or in the current, plug your kettle on because we need hot water to cook the meat, okay? So we're just going to cover this and allow it to sweat and start doing its thing. So here I'm back after 10 minutes. You can see the difference, yes. And that is not burned, guys. Those are just sauce that stick to the pan from the meat. So as you see, when the hot water touch the pan, you see the magic happens, okay? And we're just going to deglaze the bottom of the pan. Yes, nice. And cover and allow it to continue cooking. And we repeat the steps for this with the hot water like 2 times. So we have nice tender meat Then we add the rest of ingredients. Okay, here's a walkthrough of the rest of the ingredients that we need. We need garlic, bell pepper, carrot, celery. Those are some potato cubes, onion, carrot, yes. And we prep that in the meanwhile. And here is our sliced green bean. Yes. In Dutch, they call it snail bunchy. Snail bunchy, yes. So in English, it's just a stew with the sliced green beans. So that's what they call snail bunchy stew. Okay. Stoba, they call it snail bunchy stoba in Papiamento. But in the Dutch, they call it snail bunchy. That's it, okay? But you know, we are English, so it's just a stew with green beans. Okay? So, to all my returning supporters, I want to take the time out to thank you guys for all the support. For those that come in for the first time, please join the family by tapping the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on another upload. And guess what, guys? Share with a friend. Drop me a comment below if you already add this one or will you test out this one. And I also have a channel membership. Please go support your girl. It really means a lot to keep the channel going. And we're just going to cover that and allow it to simmer. And here we're back after 5 minutes. Check if our potatoes cook enough. And we're just going to add some ketchup. That's optional. Just add some ketchup, adjust taste if needed. And we are ready to serve. So just keep on watching, guys. Catch you at the end of the video.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
Look at my lovely sauce, guys. And this is ready to serve, and I'll be serving this with some nice shelly white rice, a side of steamed carrot and green peas, and fried plantain. And dinner was delicious. So hope you guys enjoy this one. And as I mentioned, guys, please drop me a comment below, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't, and just keep the channel going. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.